So how exactly do you create a page on your WordPress.com website using the Android app? So go to Site Pages. If you're already there, it will show you the list of all the pages that you've created previously, as you can see. Okay, so these are the published pages. Okay, these are the pages that I've published. These are the drafts. You know what are drafts? The pages that you've created but you've not published. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, that's a draft. Scheduled. You can schedule your pages. Okay, you can create a page and you can schedule it to publish on a particular date. Binned. What is binned? Binned is the pages that you've deleted. Alright? Let's go back. So now on site pages, if you want to create a page, tap here. Punch in the title of your page, share your story, write your content here, and then you can use the editing tools. Okay, these are the editing tools. You must have used Microsoft Word, right? Or you must have sent emails using Gmail, right? So these tools are pretty much the same. Okay, this is the bullets. You can add bullets. This is the have you used MS Office previously?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is like the heading 1, 2, 3 up to 6 headings. Okay, so the different headings, these are the the inbuilt, the default templates. Okay, so you can use these styles. These are basically the different styles that you have. Okay, all right, so it's better to let it be on default. Okay, so let it be on default. This is this is for quotation, inverted commas for quotation. Bold and italics, click here, you have more options. This is the hyperlinking symbol. If you want to share a link, you will have to share it using this particular symbol. Okay, if you want to underline, you have to do it like this, with this. Okay, and then if you have to strike through, you know what is strike through? Striking through the text, the words and sentences. This is how you do it. And this is the orientation. You know what is orientation? Left, center, right. The alignment, basically this is the alignment. Left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Okay, so these are fairly simple tools. This is the page break symbol. Okay, so you see, all right, and now, so here's your title. So this is basically, the app provides you rich editing tools, so you can edit your content right into the app. Okay, instead of formatting it in some word processor app or in some notepad and then copying it over here. So the biggest problem is whether it will retain all those effects or not. You understanding? Because in most cases, the formatting that you use in a particular word processor, whether they'll apply into the app or not, whether it supports those features or not, that is a big question mark. So it's better to edit it right into the app. Okay, and this plus symbol, using the plus symbol, you can upload images. What can you do? You can upload images. Okay, here you can choose photo from your device, you can choose a video from your device. Now it says choose from free photo library. What's a free photo library? A free photo library is, it uses the those images which are not copyrighted. They're available on the internet, or they're there on some those open source websites. So it extracts images from there. For example, if you want to use an icon of a computer, you can choose, so let's search PC. Okay, search. Let's search for 1 minute. Computer. See what I mean? Can you see what happens?
Yeah.
Yeah. So whichever image you want to insert into your blog post or onto your page, you can get it from the free library. Okay. All right. So, or if you have the image on your device, you can upload it from here. The photo or the video, you can upload it from your device. And this is, you know what are GIFs? Yeah. Do you know what is the full form of a GIF?
Graphic interface.
Yeah, graphic interchangeable format. It is a kind of an image, but it's a moving image, right? There's some form of some amount of animation there. Okay, so that's you can choose those GIFs from here. And this is very simple. You can take a photo, take a video. So if you want to take a photo and blog it instantaneously, this is how you do. You can take a photo from your device and it will automatically get uploaded onto the page or on the post. Okay, and this is WordPress. What is WordPress media? These are all the images that I've already uploaded. Okay, these are the images that I've already uploaded on the WordPress server. So basically it's like a cloud. You know what's a cloud?
Yeah.
So all these images are there. Yeah, it's a yes. Google Drive, Box, Dropbox. Okay, all these are examples of cloud. Okay, so let's go back. So now you know how to create a page.
Yeah.
Very simple. Blog posts. So these are the blog posts. Okay, these are all the posts, around 105 posts that I have on my website. Okay, so now how do you create a post? Quite similar. You add your title here, your content here, as in your body will be entered here, as in the content of your body, and you can upload from here. These are the rich editing tools. And once you publish, before you publish rather, you can preview your post. Okay, don't forget to preview before you publish. And if you are good at HTML, you can publish your posts in HTML mode as well. See, you know HTML little bit?
Website, right?
Do you know HTML little bit?
Yes.
Okay, so this is how you do it using HTML mode, and this is the visual mode. The visual mode is basically for non-coders, non-developers, right? And you need to go on post settings. Now when you go on post settings, see, the status of the post right now is draft. Why? Because you haven't published it already. We haven't published this post, so the status is that of a draft. You can publish it immediately, or you can schedule. I told you about schedule.
Yeah.
You can schedule it, right, on a future date. Okay, and you can set a password for your post. For example, you do not want your post to be public. You want your post to be viewable only by those people with whom you have in advance you have shared the password. So you can set a password. So this page can be viewed only by those people who have that password. Okay, so if there's any confidential data that you do not want the public to see, you can set a password for your post, right? Categories. You know what are categories? Very simple. For example, in the field of IT, what are the different categories? The different categories can be cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning. So these are all the different categories. This is the example of a tag. Okay? What are tags? Your posts will be classified as per tags. Tagging a post will categorize it, will group it with similar posts. For example, I've written something about malware, I've written something about ransomware, I've written something about a Trojan horse. So all these three posts have different topics, subtopics, but the parent topic is same. They all fall under the tag of cybersecurity. So, and you can use as many tags as you want. Have you used tags previously? Did you ever upload a video on YouTube?
No, but Insta,
but you know what are tags, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can use different tags. Okay, so this is how you do it. You can set tags. For example, a post on cybersecurity, you can have digital security, data protection, privacy. So these can be the different tags. A post on physics, for example, a post on any example,
Any chapter.
any chapter, like in your in your college you must have studied electromagnetism. So what can be the different tags? One will be, of course, electromagnetism, then electromagnet, then magnetism, then you know whatever philosophies that you have with magnetism, whatever laws of physics that apply in magnetism. Okay, so the different experiments, you can use as many posts as you want, as many tags as you want. What is basically what is the advantage of using a tag? This should be the next question that should come into your mind. Why am I using so many tags? It will help the visibility of your post. So why do you use tags? You use tags to increase, to maximize the visibility of your post. Okay, your post in the WordPress domain and on Google search engines, it will be available under those tags. So it becomes easier for crawlers, it becomes easier for the CMS to group your posts under particular tags. Okay, so it makes the job easier for them. So and that is a big thumbs up for the developer, for the blogger, because it helps his posts, it increases the visibility and makes them more discoverable. Okay, you can set a featured image. What is a featured image? You know what's a featured image? A featured image is the image that you want to feature on your post. You can have n number of images on your post, but this image will stand out. Okay, so whenever you share the link of that particular post, this particular image will be featured on that hyperlink. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay. The format, standard. Have a look at the formats. Whether you want to go with the standard format, or you are uploading an audio, or is it a chat, or is it a gallery, or you're uploading only images, or is it a quotation? So you know what's a format now? Very simple.
Yeah.
Very simple. Okay, it's not rocket science. Okay, so it's very simple. Then you can set your slug. Basically, the slug is nothing but a friendly URL. Okay, normally the URLs will get very long. Slug shortens your URL, so it's basically kind of a link shortener, like you have on owl.ly, goo.ly. You know what are these? bit.ly. These are link shorteners. These are what? Link shorteners. So this does pretty much the same. Okay. Excerpts are optional handcrafted summaries of your content. So this is a summary. If the content is very long, so it will be wise if you add a summary of your content. You know what's a summary, right?
Or should be shared at the top, right?
Exactly. You know what's a summary? You must have written summaries for your essays and during your English classes, right?
Yes.
So this exactly does the same thing. And here you can set your location. Okay? As in the location of your post. Fine. So now you know how to publish a post, drafts, schedule, bind. We've covered this topic. Now